Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zainab Khan. I want to praise my mother in my sweet words. Who should I give my love to, my respect and my honor to? Who should I pay good mind to after Allah and Rasulullah? Comes your mother, who next your mother, who next your mother, and then my father. Cause who used to hold you and clean you and clothe you? Who used to feed you and always be with you? When were you sick, stay up all night, holding you tight? That's right, no, your mother. Who should I take good care of, giving all my love? Who should I think the most of after Allah and Rasulullah? Comes your mother, who next your mother, who next your mother, and then your father. Cause who used to hear you before you could talk? Who used to hold you before you could walk? And when you fell, who picked you up, clean your car? No one but your mother, my mother. Who should I stay right close to, listen most to, never say no to after Allah and Rasulullah? Comes your mother, who next your mother, who next your mother, and then your father. Cause who used to hug you and buy you new clothes, comb your hair and blow your nose, and when you cry, who wipe your tears, knows your fears? Who really cares? Your mother. Say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah, thank you Allah for my mother. Jazakallah.